Hello everyone, I'm Heath Gascoigne, CEO and founder of HOBA Tech, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our Implementing HOBA 1.0 workshop, a game changer for business transformation leaders, managers, and consultants. At HOBA Tech, we believe that transformation isn't just about change, it's about impact. And that's what this workshop is all about, empowering you to drive transformative change within your organization. You might know me as the author of the Business Transformation Playbook. It's a resource that has guided countless professionals in navigating the complexities of business transformation. Now, with Implementing HOBA 1.0, we're taking it to the next level. In this intensive 2-day workshop, we'll dive deep into the House of Business Architecture, HOBA, framework, a revolutionary approach to business transformation. You'll learn how to optimize processes, realize benefits, and implement Agile practices effectively. But this workshop isn't just theory. We believe in experiential learning. You'll engage in interactive discussions, explore real-world case studies, and gain actionable insights that you can apply immediately in your organization. The Implementing HOBA 1.0 workshop is your gateway to becoming a transformation leader. It equips you with the tools and strategies needed to drive impactful change and deliver results. So, are you ready to make a lasting impact? Join us for Implementing HOBA 1.0 and unlock the full potential of your organization's transformation journey. I'm excited to see you there, ready to lead transformative change.